paying full price for your products when you can coupon using only your phone at CVS this week. I scored almost $100 worth of products completely free. I actually made a little over $2 for taking the products out of the store. And we're talking bags of diapers and wipes, laundry products, personal care products. There's so many amazing deals this week that you can score. So in this video, I'm gonna break down for you step by step exactly what to do, how to do the deals so you can score these deals as well. Couple things that before we go in store, I don't know why nobody seems to talk about this. There's two things you need to do before you go couponing at CVS every single time. Number one, you need to check Ibotta. They offer in-store cash back sometimes, so they offer 3% cash back right now on top of the other rebates that you're gonna be using. So make sure that you activate that. That counts as an offer, and you're gonna get 3% cash back on your total out-of-pocket cost. So I'll explain that to you guys at the end. I'm gonna go over my receipts. We're gonna calculate our real cash cost together so you can see how much money it will really cost you to be able to grab these products. Second thing you need to do is check Rakuten. Rakuten offers in-store cash back as well. A lot of people don't know that. They think it's only online. So here's how to find it. You're gonna click the in-store button on the bottom. Then you're gonna search for CVS. Mine's already at the top because I already have it linked. So then you're gonna click add and you're gonna add that. Next thing you need to do is add your credit card that you're gonna be paying with to Rakuten. Now, before you get nervous and freak out, you're only adding the card numbers. You're not adding the expiration date or the CVC code, so they can't actually use your card. So don't worry about that. I've been using Rakuten for probably 6 years now, and I've never had any issues. But of course, go with your gut, go with what makes you feel comfortable. So then for that, you're gonna click your little profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Then you're going to scroll down and click credit cards, and you're gonna click add, and you're gonna add those numbers. So make sure that you're paying with that card. I pay with the same card, so that way I know I'm gonna be getting that cash back. But always double check and make sure that you re-add that rebate before you go couponing at CVS. It makes everything so much easier. Below for you guys in the description box is going to be the printable breakdown that you guys can check out, as well as a ton more information and the link to the video that I did last week, same ad from last week and this week at CVS. So there's a ton more deals that you guys can score as well in that video, so definitely check it out. It'll be below for you guys. Before we head into the deals, if you guys are new here, take a quick second, hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel, and it's free to subscribe. And of course, smash that like button for me. Let's pop over to CVS and start scoring some incredible deals and freebies.
We have an incredible deal on Huggies diapers that you're gonna wanna run on because I don't know how long the rebates are gonna last on the apps. So Huggies are buy two, you're gonna earn back a $5 extra buck, and they're two for $21 on sale. So grab any two of the sizes that you need, clip the $1.50 digital coupon on the CVS app. You'll pay $19.50 out of pocket, or you can pay with extra bucks. You guys should know that by now. You can always pay with extra bucks to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you're gonna submit to checkout 51 for a $1.50 back on the second one because we only have one coupon that we're using. We're also gonna submit to ShopKick for 600 kicks per bag, which is $2.40 per bag. That makes your final cost $8.20 for 2 bags, or $4.10 per bag, which is such a steal. There's also a separate deal going on for the Huggies wipes. So there's two different ways you can do it. You can either grab the large ones down here. They're buy one, get one half off, buy two, get a $2 extra buck. Clip the 25-cent digital coupon. We're gonna submit to Ibotta for 25 cents cash back, and we're gonna submit to checkout 51 for 25 cents cash back. Plus, we're gonna submit to ShopKick for 500 kicks per bag that you're getting. That's gonna be $4 cash back in total for the 2 bags. That makes your final cost $5.46 per bag. That makes your final cost $5.46 per bag, which is not a bad deal. Or you can do the deal on the small bags. I don't necessarily recommend this one because it's not really a good stock up price compared to just grabbing them and paying at Walmart. So in store, they're $4.29, buy one, get one half off. They're part of the same promotion. Now this promotion is a limit of 1, so you have to pick whichever way you want to do it. So these, you would use the 25-cent digital coupon. You cannot submit to Ibotta because it doesn't work for the size, but you can still submit to checkout 51 for the 25 cents back, and you'll earn back the $2 extra buck. Makes your final cost $4.04 a piece, or $4.04 for 2, or $2.02 a piece. At Walmart, you would pay $2.27 if you grabbed it full price, but you could still submit back to checkout 51 for 25 cents back, so it makes it about the same price point. However, at CVS, you can pay with extra bucks to lower your out-of-pocket cost. Walmart does not have that, so that would be a benefit of grabbing them at CVS if you already have some other things that you're getting. Next, we have a really good deal again on OGX. We've been having great deals on this hair care back to back, so if this is a product you like, you should definitely have quite a few in your stockpile. So this week, they're buy one, get one 40% off, buy two, get a $4 extra buck, and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So using this one here for the bond repair, you'll pay $8.98, get back a $4 extra buck, makes it $4.98 for 2 or $2.49 a piece. Another great deal on hair care is on the Monday products. So these are buy one, get one half off, buy two, get a $4 extra buck. These leave-in conditioners are included. I did check on the CVS app. So all you have to do is scan it under savings. You're gonna click the barcode scanner and scan it. Then you're gonna click on the product. When you scroll down, it shows that it is included in the promotion. So that's how you can double check anytime a specific product isn't tagged. Because a lot of times there's so many different varieties, they're not gonna put a tag on every single product. So that's a really good way of figuring it out. So you're gonna grab 2 of them. We do have a $1 digital coupon. You'll pay $7.98 out of pocket, or you can pay with extra bucks. Earn back the $4 extra buck for buying 2. Makes your final cost just $1.99 a piece. I think this is such a cute container too, so that's a really good deal. Next, we have a moneymaker deal on Garnier facial care. So they are buy one, get one half off, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. I'm gonna grab 2 of these blackhead eliminating scrubs. That's the cheapest product included at my store. Then I have 2 different $3 off 1 digital coupons and a 2 off 10 Garnier CRT. Now the CRT is a store coupon, so it will stack with the other 2, but not everybody's gonna have that one, so definitely just check your account and see what you have. I'll pay $4.73 out of pocket, or I can pay with extra bucks. Then I'm gonna earn back a $5 extra buck for buying 2, makes them free and a 27-cent moneymaker. And look at this clearance that I just saw. It caught my eye. So it's baby tooth gel. It's only 62 cents. I do use the Dr. Talbot's soothing tablets, and my son really likes them. So I'm gonna try this as well because he's pretty deep into his teething era. He has 2 little toofuses. They're so freaking cute. But at 62 cents, I grabbed 2. I'm gonna leave the other one in case anybody else needs it. Now we're gonna do the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck. So I'm gonna do it differently than I did last week. Again, that video is gonna be below in the description box. Definitely check it out because there's a ton more deals that I did last week as well that I'm not gonna be repeating, so you can definitely score a ton more deals. So for this, there's so many different options. I'm gonna grab one of these Downy for $6.99. Now I wanna use the Coupons 24 app. I did look at a bunch of tutorials online this morning. We're gonna do it with self-checkout because I don't know how to do it at a cashier. So this is gonna be in its own transaction. I'll walk you guys through how it works and how I did it and let you guys know if I run into any issues. So there's a $1.50 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. It's free to download, just go to the app store. So I'm gonna use that on this. Next, I'm gonna grab one of the Tide liquids for $12.99 with a $3 coupon on that app, or you can use a $3 digital if you haven't yet on the CVS app. Next, we're gonna grab one of these Tide Pods at $5.49. I used my digital coupon last week, so I'm gonna be using the Coupons 24 coupon this week. And finally, I'm gonna grab the last Gain, oh, actually it's not the last one, there's a couple more. This Gain fabric softener for $5.49. I used my digital last week on the CVS app, so I'm gonna use the Coupons 24 coupon for this week for $1.50 off. These are the 4 products that I'm grabbing. Total for these is $30.96. Then we have $7.50 in digital coupons and coupons on that Coupons 24 app. So that'll leave me to pay $23.46 out of pocket. Again, you can pay with extra bucks, so I'm gonna be using $14 in extra bucks from my other transaction. Then I'll be getting back a $10 extra buck for this promotion. Makes your final net cost $13.46 for all 4 products. My cash cost is gonna be a little bit lower because I am rolling in $14 in extra bucks. So let's go check out. I am gonna break this into 2 or 3 transactions. That way I can do this separately. I'll let you guys know everything that happens at checkout, and we're gonna go over my receipt so together we can calculate my real cash cost, and that's what I'm gonna be putting in my budget.
All right, we're back home from CVS. I did 2 transactions. So when I go over the second transaction, then I will explain how to use the Coupons 24 app. I watched a bunch of tutorials online, and then I did self-checkout. I don't know how to use Coupons 24 app at a cash register, like with a cashier. So if you guys know how to do that, definitely let me know in the comments below so I can try that next week and then report back for you guys. I try to be the guinea pig to figure out how it works and be able to share it with you guys so that you don't get nervous when you go and you know exactly what to do. So my first transaction was my biggest transaction because I knew I was getting the 3% cash back on my out-of-pocket cost. So I wanted my transaction to be bigger. Now, before I move forward, I was paying with a Fetch Rewards gift card. So I got a $50 Fetch Rewards gift card because I just exchanged my points on Fetch for a gift card. So it doesn't cost me anything out of my bank account to get that gift card. So I don't count it as real cash. I only count it as a tool to lower your out-of-pocket costs. That's why I was able to build up my first transaction. I used some extra bucks and then I paid with that gift card so I could earn the 3% back. I did not earn the Rakuten % back on this because I didn't pay with my credit card, I paid with a gift card. So let me show you the transaction that I did. I did every single deal that I showed you guys in the video. I did not do the Monday hair care. My hair care is like stocked full. I have like no more room and it's not a product that I need, so I didn't buy it. So I did everything except for the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck deal. So that was everything that you see here. Here's all the digital coupons that came off. The OGX, the 2 Garnier coupons came off, 2 off 10 Garnier came off, the Huggies wipes and the Huggies digital. So everything worked out great. Here's the 2 clearance products that I wound up grabbing as well. Then I rolled some extra bucks from last week. I had a 10, a 4, and then my 2% back. So my out of pocket would have been $39.46, but I paid with that gift card. Now, if you don't have a Fetch Rewards gift card to do, I would not have done this transaction. That is way too high of an out-of-pocket cost. Split this up into 2 separate transactions so you can use your extra bucks you got from your first transaction to further lower your out-of-pocket cost of your second transaction. So regardless, I always do a minimum of 2 transactions when I go couponing. Then I submitted to Checkout 51. I got $1.75 cash back. I also submitted to Ibotta. I got the 25 cents back plus the 3% back, which is about 48 cents. Then I submitted to Shopkick as well. It only showed 1,000 kicks so far, but it's still processing it. So it's gonna be a total of 2,200 kicks, which is $8.80 cash back on all the Huggies products. So my final cash cost for this transaction is a big moneymaker because I paid nothing out of my bank account, but I got all of that cash back from those rebate apps. Shopkick, you can transfer to PayPal and then to your bank account. Checkout 51 can go to your bank account. Ibotta can go to your bank account or PayPal, so it's all real cash back. So make sure you're calculating it correctly. That's super important. Then I earned back all my extra bucks and I did my second transaction. So the first transaction I did with a cashier. Second transaction, I went to self-checkout so I could do the Coupons 24 app. So here's the process for self-checkout. I scanned all my products, then I typed in my phone number, then I hit continue, then I scanned the barcode from the Coupons 24 app. Now it gave me 3 different barcodes because I have so many coupons clipped on the app. I scanned all 3 barcodes. Then what I did is I scanned all my extra bucks that I was using that I got from my first transaction. So you scan an extra buck, you put it in the coupon slip. Scan an extra buck, put it in the coupon slip. And it tells you to do that as well, so you just listen to what it tells you to do. After all that, then I clicked finish and pay, then I paid with my credit card. So here's the 4 products that I grabbed. Here's the $3 digital coupon from the CVS app. Here's the 3 coupons, come off as manufacturer coupons from the Coupons 24 app. Here's the extra bucks that I used. I paid $9.63. I paid that out of pocket, okay? But then when you factor in all the cash back I got from my first transaction, when you balance it out, it's out of pocket cost, how much did you swipe your card for, minus real cash back. Now, Fetch Rewards is not cash back. So say I would have gotten $5 back from Fetch. I would not count that because it's not real money. I can't use that to pay my mortgage, right? So that's what you want to think of. So my final cash cost, when you look at my bank account, it's free plus like a $2.43 moneymaker or something like that. That's what I wound up writing in my budget spreadsheet. Let me get it. Okay. So every single time I go couponing, I use my budget spreadsheet. This is what I have in my couponing program. This is the very first thing you learn if you're in my coupon program. And do not skip this. You've got to learn how to set a budget and how to track your spending. So as you can see, I made $2.35. That was the total. For $99.59 worth of products. That includes all the sale prices and everything. That's incredible. And it's products that I'm gonna use. I need diapers for my baby. I need wipes for my baby. I need laundry products. So that is amazing. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. Go to CVS this week, grab some incredible deals, never pay full price again, and I'll see you in the next video.